Hey guys, and welcome back to Lewi Productions. So, on today's episode, I guess we're seeing a car we haven't seen in quite some time. And this is the 1963 325 Regal. So some of you might not have seen this for some time, but if you go back on the channel you will find some videos on this. I think the last one was when we fitted the chassis to it. And yeah, since then it's kind of sat and not done anything. But tonight, we're waiting to start the paint prep on it. You might hear my nephew in the background. So, 2 seconds. Don't climb that fence. And he's back down. So yeah, what we're going to do tonight is start the paint prep on this, because I've got something in mind to get it done. So we're going to get the sander out, get it all cleaned up. We'll start with the front end and work our way back. Might do the roof first, I can't really decide now. Might do that first because it's a nice big flat area and I can get in about to it. So probably do that, get the roof sanded, get it all prepped, ready for paint work, and everything else will become clear in the near future. So I will stick this on time lapse because you do not need to watch me sanding for a whole evening. So we'll put time lapse on, we'll get some photos in between, and you'll be able to see everything that's going on. So I'll go and crack on with that. So guys, it would look like below the old paintwork that you see there, you can actually see some there actually as well, but there's blue. So I kind of expected that because, well, you can see blue on the slats of the radiator, or the grille. So this car could have left the factory as blue originally, but we'll see. We'll keep digging and find out what's below it all. Well, we've given it a good start, guys, and I'm well and truly green now. And it's about 9:30 at night, so I've been at this for about 2 hours. So we've gotten basically this top area done around here. We haven't done the bonnet opening, we will do it at a later time, and I've also removed these and get them done at a later time. I think that bolt might have just removed itself when I touched it. But anyway, so we've got that done. I've also done a small area around the windscreen just to kind of see what it turned out like. The top doesn't have any blue in it, it's got green for some reason, so another mystery to unravel. But yeah, so this is all to be sanded. The next area I'm planning to do is the front, because it's a lot of awkward shapes, so that'll be done next. I'll then continue the side, so basically from here forward will be totally sanded. My next plan after that will be the roof, rear panels, well, rear quarters even, then the back end of it last, and then we'll do the doors after that as well. There's not a lot of paint left on that door, obviously, and inside this there's not a lot of painted areas actually that I'm going to get done, so that's even better. But yeah, big start forward, and obviously if I put on the bonnet we now get to see what it looked like before and after. So that just gives you an idea of how much of a difference it is now that it's sanded. We have all these dark spots. I can only assume that they are because the paint was gone and it's dyed whatever was there. Well, the old bodywork. Also, you may notice in a lot of these places there's no gel coat on the nose. I have no idea why that is, because I was expecting gel coating. There's gel coating here, that's the grey stuff, but on this bit there's none. So I can't make up my mind if someone's sanded this in the past and repainted the front of it blue, or bottom half of it blue maybe, and went through the gel coat without knowing, or if there's another reason for it. But I'm going to find out, and hopefully have the answer to tell you next time. So guys, I'm not going to mess around with the closing of this because it's getting quite cold and the sun's disappearing. So I hope you've enjoyed this video of watching the Regal get its first start at the sanding process. I will be on this daily now, so hopefully I will have quite a few videos of sanding. So I do apologise in advance. But anyway, I'm going to go and basically get cleaned up because I am covered in paint dust, and go and relax for what's left of the evening. So I hope you've enjoyed it, and if you have, check out this car on the channel. You'll find all its videos from when it appeared in the unveiling till now. And if you want to check out any other cars on the channel, remember and check through. You will find tons of stuff in there that's quite interesting. So for now guys, I'm going to go and get cleaned up, and we'll see you next time.